Quite a painful afternoon, one thing after another, wiring and fitting and trucks and dirt on the wheels and all kinds of things. Even had a speaker problem, but I think we're pretty close now. We've got this soundboard installed. I've put in place the jumper for maximum sound, and I have the speaker involved. And what I'm going to try to do is get us to a neutral where we are and see that we have a whistle and we have a bell. If I know how to work the button right, there's the bell. They're independent of wireless or not. There is no wireless. The reverse unit is a little sticky. I'm not sure why. It may be my track. Maybe something else. I've had to do some repositioning. I've very close tolerance in there, but I thought I had it. There we go. Now it's fine. May have been a little scrap of dirt. Been a lot of dirt going on here. So, see if I can get it going forward and show you coming out of the mountain. Heading down the short chute. Without all the wheels and bodies on it, trucks will jump, so you got to take her slow. There you go. So next step, I think, is going to be to put on the wheels, the side rails, and headlights and smoke. Worry about making that work, and then we should be ready to mount the bodies. Okay, that's the show for today. Later.